Toronto Dominion Centre. It is located on the King and Bay Street, Toronto. Toronto Dominion Centre is a office complex in the financial district of downtown Toronto, owned by Cadillac Fairview. The development of the TD Centre required Fairview to acquire a full city block of downtown Toronto, except for some frontages on Bay Street and at the corner of the King and York Street. At 222.8 meters, the tower was the tallest building in Canada when completed. The completion of the Banking Pavilion and the Royal Trust Tower, now known as the TD North Tower, followed in 1968 and 1969 respectively. The Commercial Union Tower, now known as TD West Tower, was added in 1974 and was the first on the site not conceived by the Mies in his plan. It was followed by the IBM Tower, now known as TD South Tower, built south of the Wellington Street across the original campus in 1985. As the Ludwig Mies Bureau was given virtually a hand free to create the Toronto Dominion Centre, the complex, the whole and its detail is a classic example of his unique take on the international style and represents the end of the evolution of the Mies North American period, which began in 1957. The Toronto Dominion Centre follows the theme of the darkly colored steel glass edifice set in the open plaza itself, surrounded by the dense and erratic pre-existing urban fabric. The TD Centre, however, comprises of the collection of the structures spread across the granite path, and most of it are all regulated in three dimensions and from the large scale to the smallest but mathematically ordered 1.5 meter scale grid. Yeah, the Toronto Dominion Centre and the towers were radically departed both in the scale and in center. The tallest of the two soared to 56 floors, dominating the skyline like nothing before or since. It was everything the old building and it was not, while they featured the arched windows and gargoyles, Greek columns, and bronze roofs. The design of the TD Centre was all austerity and simplicity. The steel facing of the tower was painted matte black, and the floor to the ceiling windows and tinted bronze. The Toronto Dominion Centre is an office complex in the financial district of the Toronto downtown, owned by Cadillac Fairview. It serves as the global headquarters for its anchor tenant tower, TD West Tower, TD South Tower, were